cooking mutton curry with okra. First I'm putting vegetable oil, 1.5 cup, and ginger, 1 whole garlic, and 5 centimeter of ginger. I've been paste it together. Half onion, I'm putting it on. Now I'm putting some cloves. And black pepper. And couple of anise seed. And about 10 cardamom. And 4 black cardamom and some cinnamon. And I'm putting some bay leaf, about 5-6 bay leaves. Now I'm putting salt. The meat is already been cut as a small. You can see this is a fresh mutton just got this morning. I'm adding another 4 tablespoons garlic and ginger. And adding rest of the onions. And now I'm adding some fresh chilli. About 4, 5. Now I'm stirring it up, the meat. And almost the onion has already been cooked, you can see. And I'll leave it for another 20 minutes to just get more mutton to be cooked, because mutton is taking a longer time to cook. So I will leave for next half an hour just to get a bit of softener before I put in the spices. The meat is ready for spice. The mutton, you can see, is already been nicely dry. Now I'm preparing for spices. Remember, we like the hot is on your choice, how much hot you like. But we like our curry a bit hot, so I'm adding some chilli, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm doing some curry powder, which is 1, 2, and some cumin, 1, 2, and coriander powder, 1, 2, 3. Turmeric, 1, 2, 3. Garam masala. Now I'm mixing the spices. See how hot curry we eat at home, and especially my daughter-in-law, she likes hot curry. She's also a very good cook. She does the most of cooking in our house. So her curry is very good. We'll show you her curry next video. She do also nice fish curry. And now I'm leaving the spices to be cooked and to get the raw smell out, which will probably take about 20 minutes before we adding anything else. Now my mutton curry is ready to adding the rest of the vegetable and all the spices is now, the raw smell has gone. And this lovely flavor just start coming. And this is a fresh mutton we had yesterday. And now adding, we're going to make this, as I told you earlier, the okra and the mutton together. So this is the okra, I'm putting it on. And we're going to cook these for about 15-20 minutes, then will be our curry is ready for today. And I'm adding water. And when you put the water, try to put it on the by side so it washes down all these spices. One more water I'm going to put on. And this is the 2 cups of water just to get bit of moist, and then we will add a bit more water later on before we taking out for about 20 minutes before we are taking, finish it off. So now we're going to put a bit of gas to get the curry, is to mix it up well with the vegetable, which is okra. Now I'm just adding the final water, because the bhindi, is very soft, so it doesn't take any more longer time to cook. So I'll just adding second lot of water, and that will be in until the okra is cooked. Bit more, one more. I think we need. Third one, I'm putting it on, and I think that should be fine. Once that water is settled down and mixing well with the okra and the meat, and I'm sure the whole thing will be almost ready in next 20 minutes. Okay. I think my okra mutton curry are now ready, and I'm just adding a fresh coriander, and that's it. We're going to switch off the gas, and the coriander flavor will go slowly into the next half an hour in the dish. So just I'm putting a coriander on top, and that will bring the flavor, freshness in that. And I'm also putting some fresh roasted garlic on top. Thank you for watching my mutton okra curry.